Introducing Sentinel Solar, the leading solution in efficient solar self-consumption management. Automate operations and accelerate the growth of your portfolio, maximizing value for your clients. It consists of 3 key blocks: monitoring, data analysis, and after-sales service. Starting with the centralization of PV installation information through the Sentinel Solar API, providing third-party access or querying the platform directly. We have the asset dashboard that will help you navigate more efficiently between plants and detect system incidents, showing you status, daily generation, active alerts, and much more. To help you simplify asset coordination and management, we have the Alert Center. We want to avoid prolonged failures. That's why we include low performance and zero production alerts. Additionally, with the Incident Manager, you can trace detected faults. We want to make it easy for you. In the Tracking Reports section, generate agile and customizable reports, saving time and effort. You will be able to calculate your savings by considering tariffs and hourly rates. In this way, the user will have access to their complete energy balance and monthly savings generated. We haven't forgotten about your brand. Adapt the interface to your visual identity. We also offer different roles for users with different needs, including local energy community roles. Our team is ready to help and guide you through everything about Sentinel Solar. Request a demo for more information.